Hello and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online, where we make the complex world of online earning simple and fun. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today in this video, we're diving into the easiest ways to make money online with YouTube. Whether you're a budding creator or just curious about the YouTube hustle, this video is your ultimate guide to turning views into cash. Now let's take a look at the first one is affiliate marketing. To begin earning money, this is one of the easiest ways to do so. All you must do is promote items or services and you will receive a commission on any sales that are reached through your personal affiliate link. The catch is that you don't even need a big subscriber base to begin making money. This is the most important part. An audience that is actively engaged and interested in the things that you are recommending is all that is required. To get started, this is how to do it. Choose a niche or product that you have a strong interest in. After that, you should enroll in an affiliate program such as Share a Sale or Amazon Associates, respectively. The next step is to provide material that is interesting, such as reviews or tutorials that include the product. The final step is to promote your affiliate link while you are in the middle of your video and include it in the description of your video. It is important to keep in mind that sustaining trust with your audience requires that you be transparent about affiliate links. Ad revenue is the next topic. Start by producing content that is consistent and of good quality in order to expand your following. You can submit an application for the YouTube Partnership Program if you have a total of 4,000 view hours watched in 1 year and 1,000 subscribers. After approval, activate monetization on your channel settings. And finally, make it a habit to periodically examine your analytics in order to gain an understanding of the material that is most effective for your audience and for generating advertising money. Not only does material that is engaging and attract viewers, but it is also optimizes the amount of money an advertising makes. When you become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you will be able to begin earning money from advertisements. However, keep in mind that the quality of your content and the degree to which it is engaging are more important than the amount of views that your content receives. The more people that see your videos, the more money you will make. If you are enjoying today's video and feel it's of some value, please give it a thumbs up for the algorithm and don't forget to press that subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content. There is also the wonderful opportunity to make money through sponsorships. Begin by constructing a robust and actively engaged audience centered around a certain niche. Direct payments are made to you by companies in exchange for promoting their goods or services in your videos. Creating partnerships with businesses that are relevant to both you and your content and your audience is essential in this context. There's more to it than just making money. It's also about providing value to the people who watch your videos. You can make content with brands that are compatible with your material you produce and suggest that they work together. Consider how your material can be beneficial to the brand as you negotiate the terms in a straightforward and concise manner. In conclusion, it is essential to generate genuine sponsored content that is able to effortlessly be incorporated into the product or service. Keep in mind that authenticity is absolutely necessary in order to keep the trust and interest of your viewers. Now, I wanted to take a moment to explain that I am marketing a course that is called YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This is something I wanted to address before we moved on to the next topic. If you are interested in learning about YouTube and how to maximize your earnings through the use of YouTube, this course is a perfect choice. It also teaches you how to run your very own channel, even a faceless channel like the one I'm using right now, and it shows you that you do not need to create videos in order to be successful on the platform of YouTube provides. For the benefit of everyone who may be interested, I have included additional information in the description that is located below this video. Clicking on the link in the description to take a look at the course is completely free of charge. Okay, and don't overlook the importance of merchandise. Those who have developed a devoted following will be more than happy to show their support by purchasing products with your brand. There are an infinite number of alternatives, including t-shirts, hats, and even digital products. It's a fantastic opportunity to build up your community ties while also generating income. The first step is to determine the types of items that would be appealing to your target demographic. After that, create your own products or hire a merchandising company to work with you. In order to manage sales and distribution, you may either establish an online store or make use of services such as Teespring. One last thing you should do is market your items in your videos and throughout all of social media platforms. Develop a sense of community and exclusivity. Oh, that's a tough one, among your audience in order to captivate their attention with your merchandise. Check out more of my videos for more valued content.